This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Matthew Del Combri. Step into the timeless charm of this beautifully restored 1906 Victorian home in the heart of Downtown Abbeville. With 6 spacious bedrooms, 4 full baths, and 2 half baths across 3,100 square feet, this residence blends meticulous restoration with the irreplaceable character of a true historic treasure. Inside, you'll find original wood floors, detailed millwork, tall ceilings, and thoughtfully preserved architectural features that showcase the craftsmanship of the era. Every room feels warm, inviting, and full of history, yet refreshed for modern living. Perfectly situated within walking distance of the town square, local restaurants, and street. Magdalen Church, this home places you right in the center of Abbeville's charm. Enjoy the convenience of downtown living with the peaceful feel of a classic southern neighborhood. With its generous layout, restored beauty, and unbeatable location, this Victorian gem is ready to be lived in and loved from day one. Historic home.